day, welcome to RealHomes tutorial for property clients. At RealHomes, we make buying, renting, and investing in real estate simple and hassle-free. Our user-friendly digital marketplace helps you find the right property quickly and securely. Whether you're looking for a new home or investment, RealHomes is here to guide you every step on the way. As a property client, you'll have access to a personalized dashboard, a powerful tool that streamlines every step of your property journey, from browsing listings to scheduling appointments, making payments, and after-sales services. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into maximizing the use of your dashboard and guiding you through the buying or renting process. When you log in to your RealHomes account, you will be greeted by a wide variety of property listings on the homepage. Whether you're looking for buy or rent, you can easily browse through our extensive collection of verified properties. For example, if you're searching for a cozy townhouse in Las Piñas or a modern condominium in Makati, you will find more of it here. You can also connect directly with our esteemed real estate agents or brokers who are ready to assist you in finding your dream property. Let's take a closer look at the property listings. Each post includes high-quality photos, detailed description, and the price of the property. You'll also see the account of the agent or broker who uploaded the listings. To give you a better sense of the property, we include videos and interactive map features that helps you see the exact location as well as the nearby establishments like schools, malls, and hospitals. As you scroll farther, you'll find options to add the property to your favorites, share the listings with friends or family, downloadable brochures, and direct call access to the agent or broker. You can also schedule appointments, which we'll cover in more detail later on. Lastly, you can inquire about the property by typing your question or even book it if you are ready to make a purchase. RealHomes is committed to provide you with a convenient end-to-end process for purchasing your dream home. From the initial search to after-sales services and even managing your property or household, we got you covered through our platform. Now let's walk through your dashboard to see how you can make the most of these features. To access your dashboard, simply click on the menu icon at the top of the page. Select Dashboard. Your dashboard is your central hub for managing your account, tracking your favorite properties, scheduling appointments, and monitoring payments. Let's start with the favorite sections. When browsing through our extensive property listing, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the choices. For instance, if you come across a charming townhouse that catches your eye, based on your preference, clicking the heart icon will save it to your favorites, making it easy to revisit later. This will also help us provide you with the more relevant information and listing based on your preference. Next, let's explore the inbox. This is your direct line of communication with agents and brokers. If you have any question about the property, simply click Compose New Message to send them an inquiry. For example, you can write first the email, then add to the subject section like inquiry about the townhouse, and include your question in the message like how's the community there? Are the surrounding places usually busy? Now, agents typically respond promptly, ensuring you get the answers you need. Now let's move on to appointments. Scheduling a viewing or a consultation with an agent is simple. Click Add New Appointments, and you will be directed to New Property page, where you can select the property you're interested in. For example, if you're looking for a house and lot, you can search for it, browse the options, and select a property that catches your interest. From there, scroll to Schedule Appointments to choose the date, time, and time zone that works best for you. For example, if you're an OFW based in Middle East like Qatar, you can set the time zone to match your location. You can also choose the type of meeting, whether a call consultation if you want to make a quick and brief conversation only. There's also an on-site, great for face-to-face discussion and viewing, or choose a meeting type of virtual meeting via Zoom or Google Meet. Lastly, the note sections allows you to specify the agenda for your appointments, such as requesting a property viewing, discussing the payment terms, or negotiating. Once you set the appointment, it will appear in your dashboard and the agent will be notified to confirm. The payment section is your central hub for tracking payment schedule and managing financial transaction effortlessly. Whether you're making a down payment, settling the full amount, or keeping track your upcoming bills, these sections ensures you stay on the top of your payments. For instance, if you purchase a property and have a set of due dates for installment payments, you can easily monitor them here to avoid missing any deadlines. To make the process even more convenient, RealHomes can integrate with your RePay account, allowing you to process quickly and securely. If you're interested in selling properties, you can easily upgrade your account from property clients to property owner. Simply click on Upgrade Account and input your bank details, whether it's local bank account or telegraphic or wire transfer. Once you fill in the necessary information, click Upgrade Account to complete the process. Upgrading your account unlocks a host of benefits, including the ability to enlist properties and assign agents and brokers who can provide expert guidance on pricing, marketing, and renting or selling your properties effectively. Upgrading your account is a smart move if you're looking to tap into the full potential of real estate business with the support of a trusted platform. Finally, let's talk about account settings. This is where you can manage your personal information and security settings. To update your profile, click on Edit Profile and make any necessary changes to your personal information, profile picture, or contact details. Don't forget to save your changes. If you need to update your password, go to Login Settings. Enter your current password and type your new password twice. Regularly updating your password is a great way to keep your account secure. So that's all for Property Client Dashboard. Now let's have a quick demo on how to buy or rent a property on RealHomes. First, for buying process, I'll browse through the properties and find one I'm interested. Let's say I'm chosen this townhouse. Before making a decision, I can send an inquiry to the broker or the agent by clicking Inquire. For example, I might ask, what is the current condition of the house? Are there any known issues or needed repairs? After typing my question, I read and agree to the privacy policy. This ensures my personal information is protected and used only for inquiry. Then I click Send Inquiry. The agent or broker will then accommodate my inquiry and provide more details about the property. Now let's say I'm ready to proceed with the purchase. I click Book Property. This will take me to the payment calculator, where I formulate my payment plan and choose my preferred payment method. It offers 3 options: spot cash, a one-time full payment for the property; bank financing, financing through a bank loan where you can pay in installment over a set of period; deferred financing, a flexible payment plan where you can pay in installment directly to the seller or developer. For this example, let's say I choose bank financing. I'll now be directed to the payment calculator. Here I'll input the listing price, VAT percentage, and other charges, if applicable. Once I'm done, I click Next to proceed. If the agent or broker has offered me any discount, such as company discount, standard discount, promo discount, or other discount, I can input the percentage here. For instance, let's say I was given an other discount of 0.2%. If there are multiple discounts, I can click Add More Discounts to include them all. Next, I'll set my desired reservation payment amount. I can either type in the amount or use the slider to adjust it. For example, I'll set it to 20,000. Once I'm satisfied, now it's time to set up the down payment. I'll decide what percentage of the property price I want to pay upfront, such as 20%. I can either type this in or use the slider to adjust it. Then I'll choose how long I plan to pay the down payment. Let's say 3 months. I'll also set the start date for the down payment and schedule for my upcoming payments. As I click Add Down Payments, a summary will be displayed for my reference. Once everything is set, I click Next to proceed. Now let's set up the balloon payment. A balloon payment is a lump sum at the end of the financing period to settle the remaining balance. I'll put the percentage of the total price I want to pay as a balloon payment. Choose how long I'll pay it over and set the start date. I also select my preferred payment method, whether through RePay, over-the-counter, bank transfer, or others, then set the validity date. Once all the details are in place, I review the summary, which includes the added details we input: the reservation payment, the down payment amount, discounts, and balloon payments. The summary is downloadable as PDF for my records. If everything looks good, I click Proceed. I'll be prompted to send Letter of Intent or LOI with my e-signature. I review the LOI and check the box to agree to submit my profile information to the agent. I can also download a copy for my records. Finally, I need the agent code or QR code provided by the agent. I can either type it in or scan it directly. Once everything is complete, I click Submit. Great! You have officially sent your letter of intent and created your payment plan. The agent will now review your submission and you're one step closer to owning your dream property. Now that we have covered the property buying process, let's move on to the property renting process. Whether you're looking for a short-term or long-term rental for commercial space or residential, RealHomes got you covered. Let's walk through how you can easily book a rental property on our platform. Look again through our listings to find a great place for rent. Let's say I found a condo that fits my needs. Once I review and decided to rent, I go to Book Property and click Proceed to continue to the payment calculator. Here, I'll see the monthly rent and the security deposit, which is typically set by the property owner according to their policy. Here, it was 2 months security deposit of rent. Next, I select the contract duration, which is how long I plan to stay to the property. For example, I might choose a 1-year lease. This will be reflected in the LOI later on. After that, I'll pick the move-in date, which is when I plan to start living in the property. As I proceed, I set up my advance payment by this slider. This is the amount I pay upfront for the first few months. The property owner has set a minimum of 2 months rent as the advance payment, but I can choose to pay more if I prefer. For example, I pay for the first 3 months. Next, I select my mode of payments. RealHomes offers several options, including RePay, over-the-counter payments, and bank transfer. Then the validity date is your set day of move-in. Once all the details are in place, I review the payment summary, which includes 1-year contract, the duration I selected, starting date. The title is clickable if you want to change your date of move-in, security deposit, advance payment, monthly payment. This summary is downloadable as PDF file for my records. When I'm good with it, I click Proceed. Next, I'll see the Residential Lease Letter of Intent or LOI with my e-signature. I carefully read and review the LOI to ensure all the details are correct. If everything looks good, I can download a copy for my records and click Submit. So that's it. We hope this tutorial has given you a clear understanding of how RealHomes can assist you in your real estate journey as a client. Searching, renting, or buying properties is a significant decision that requires time, careful consideration, with the right support. With RealHomes, you're not alone. We are here to guide you in every step of the way. Thank you for choosing RealHomes as your partner in real estate. We are excited to help you find the perfect property and turn your dream homes into reality. Happy property hunting!